Hey, give me all your money. Just kidding. I just need $1 a month. That's all. And don't forget to join us every Wednesday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Time US for our live streaming.
Да се въртят около полуголи жени в съблекалните. Перверзник.
Не мисля, че е по-лошо.
Много. По-лошо.
Ренард, помогни ми за банския.
Имам толкова работа. Да облека Мери, да убия журито. Не искам да провалите договор за 5 милиона. А сега трябва да вмъкна в графика си вашето убийство.
Казах да си свалиш тиксото.
I've got so much to do. Dress Mary, kill a judge, a $5 million contract that I don't want you screwing up. And now I gotta fit killing you both into my schedule.
I said take your tape off.
This is one of my favorites. Not a full treatment scene, but it's a great gag scene. This is one of those weird, and basically Pam and her buddy are taken hostage by this guy. And again, sorry for I provided two videos here. The one in better quality has a Spanish over top. The one in worse quality doesn't, but so you guys can see this better. Pam and her buddy are kind of taken hostage by this guy, and at some point he duct tape gags them off screen and makes them, do some whining and whatnot. Pam again looks awesome. Her eyes, I mean, so sexy. She looks great with a tape gag, and they just make some oomphing and whatnot, and then he doesn't tie him, so then they just take the tape off. I mean, he definitely could have tied him up there, sat him on the floor. But that's a shorter scene, but a cute, sexy scene. So another good full treatment. So not, unfortunately, I mean, great gag scene anyway from VIP. So yeah, VIP did some good stuff. This is probably my favorite of all of them. Not the best, most intense scene, but tomorrow we're going to a film. And then Friday we're coming back to VIP again to finish it up. So that's what we got. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks, guys.
Мери, да убия журито. Не искам да провалите договор за 5 милиона. А сега трябва да вмъкна в графика си вашето убийство. Мери, да убия журито. Не искам да провалите договор за 5 милиона. А сега трябва да вмъкна в графика си вашето убийство. Мери, да убия журито. Не искам да провалите договор за 5 милиона. А сега трябва да вмъкна в графика си вашето убийство.